I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit.
We got back from Kokova pretty much at the right time because this would not be fun to hang out in. The wind is so loud right now, and yet we're not moving that much. So glad we're not out there right now. Holy moly! The video just doesn't even do it justice. Oh, this will be fun. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get soaking wet. Oh my God. The whole point of this stupid exercise is to show you just how well protected this marina is from the elements. And let me tell you, it is super well protected. There is complete and utter chaos out in the ocean, and yet inside the marina, boats are barely moving. All right, that's enough of that. Oh my God, I just got soaking wet. I turned around right on time. Oh my God, look at that. Apparently I'm a masochist because I'm gonna go back up the wall again and look before it gets pitch dark out here. The wind has died down a little bit, but now we've got hail. So if it's not one thing, it's another. It is pretty loud though. Oh, I know. When we tried to pull Gumnut across the sand to get her past a very low bridge, we noticed her wheels were completely flat, most likely from not having been used in a very, very long time. Super flat. This was the first time we used the wheels since we bought our catamaran, and we assumed they weren't used much before we took ownership. And no boat job, regardless how big or how small, is easy. There's a lot of crawling, climbing, and bending into the most awkward shapes, just to fit into a compartment where a repair is needed. And there's also the added highlight of dropping expensive things into the water and then having to either say farewell or having to dive in to fetch them. Thankfully, Donos saved this little air machine from an instant death at sea. We're getting our clears installed. The ones that are gonna go back behind the grill. So our bench seat is now going to be on the inside of the cockpit instead of the outside. Very exciting. He asked me where to put the track, where it is now, or a little bit inside, like maybe 6 inches or so. And I was like, no, put it as far out as you can. So this part is done back here. And he's making some sort of an outline so he knows how to sew the thing together. What is this called? A stencil. Look how much more space there is in here now. Our clears used to come down here in front of the bench. So now it added like over a foot of space. I'm not sure what his plan is right there with the grill there. We don't have clears or screens up right now because they're being worked on. So our boat is, woo, naked. Naked. Just pretty much done. He added all of that cloth right there. You can see where he added to the door to reach, because this panel used to be in here. So we've gained quite a bit of real estate by putting it on the outside. See, you still see outside, but it cuts down on the sun a bit. And then
It's too small.
Donovan's putting this screen on.
Strap's too small.
But over here you can see the new material is a different, slightly different gray. That was all open. That was a huge gap where water came in when it rained. Looks very good. I mean, it looks so much bigger inside now. So, looks awesome. Love it. There's the man, the myth, the legend that did this job. Pretty incredible.
Şu çıt çıttan kalmamış elinde. Dün bir arkadaştan buldum 2 tane. Onu sipariş edeceğim. O gelince ben burada gelir üzerinde yaparım.
Thank God for Google Translate.
Okay.
Man, it's beautiful outside today.
Hey guys in the back, you just got here? She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was expressions of bright blue sky. Oh, what you bring to me? I want to watch you. I want to hear you scream. And I'm sober. Welcome to the jungle. Feel my stepping. Ladies and gentlemen, tip your servers. Tip your servers. It's gonna bring you down.
But just look at us holding on.
Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody. And you've got us feeling alright.
Where'd you go my way? I love it when we're cruising together. Take this way for love, cruising is neighborhood. I love it when we're cruising together. I wanna be the way I feel.
Hey, I feel like a woman.
You can barely tell, but there's snow and sleet everywhere. Or, well, sleet mainly, not snow really, but...
Although Zoe is not complaining, she's nice and cozy.
You hold that hand tight.
Do you need me to do anything over here?
Safe travels! There goes Tiwaka. Bye-bye! Saturday market in Finnegate, Turkey. Every kind of olive you could imagine. Herbs. And this is just the inside of this place. Outside there's a bunch of stuff too. You can see the outside has all of these roofs and it goes around the whole entire building, and it's all clothing, jackets, fake Adidas stuff, fake Uggs. We came back from the market with a bunch of oranges. All of these veggies, that's our haul today. And these. And, oh, the oranges. Donovan already made the orange juice out of them. He made like 30 oranges and that's all the juice we got. That's pretty sad. Wow, yeah, the water's so low you can see the sand all. Cats are revered animals in Turkey, where the majority of folks practice the Islamic religion. In the Islamic religion, Muslims are taught to care for cats and love them. Cats are considered the perfect pet because of their cleanliness, and so they're typically allowed to enter homes, businesses, and mosques. According to authentic narrations, a Muslim may make ablution for prayer with the same water a cat has drunk from. Ablution is the act of washing of one's body to ensure cleanliness before performing a Muslim prayer. Cats became very important because they protected homes and businesses from pests, and they were also very valued in the Muslim culture because they protected books from mice. Citizens in Turkey provide cats with the most important things they need: food, shelter, and water. You will often find cat shelters and food and water dishes spread out throughout cities, towns, and villages. A lot of folks even build shelters for their neighborhood cats on their own properties to make sure cats have somewhere safe and warm to relax. During our visits around Turkey, we have seen donation boxes next to registers in shops, businesses, and restaurants. These donations are used by the locals to pay for food and veterinary visits for the cats living near areas where folks live and work. Turkey's animal welfare laws have changed, such that animal cruelty is no longer punishable by just small fines. Now, people who abuse, torture, or kill cats will go to jail. 1, 2, there's one behind the staircase there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10, 11, 12.
You come up here in the morning and there's got to be 20 of them.
Wow. So obviously somebody around here feeds them. This cat was sitting in her chair and has now decided to climb up on the table and have some water.
She's joining us for dinner.
Drinks with her eyes closed.
Yeah, and like right at the edge.
So cute. Just make yourself at home. I'm not sharing my food though.
Yeah.